Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and I'm standing beside our latest roaster, the Valenta 8. The Valenta 7 just became the Valenta 8, and we've been working on this project for a while. And one of the things we went back to do with this roaster is we went back in and changed the design of the heat chamber to do the same thing we did with take the 15 to an 18. And we have standardized all of our roasters, and this is really for our 2025 roaster lineup to have the same type of body design. This does two things. One, it really aids in the manufacturing. It's so much faster to build them this way, much more efficient. We were able to lower some of our manufacturing costs across the board. And it also makes it really easy for maintenance for our customers to get in and out of it. Electrical is over here on the side now. Prometheus enclosures over here. We've redesigned the hood, a little bit different design. And one of the things it does is it makes it more efficient in the venting. In fact, we're using a new blower with this one, a smaller Rikon blower, and it is really quiet. And we're really happy with that. We hooked it up and it's almost as quiet as those other blowers we were getting for the Valenta 3. So that worked out well. There is going to be a price change on this, and it's not because of the design change. It's because we were already selling the Valenta 7 below wholesale pricing. We really kind of didn't calculate that accurately, and we were waiting for our 2025 model to come out before we made an adjustment. So this roaster is going to hit the market at $8,800. The old one was $8,200 for a complete system, and Prometheus unit is optional. Yeah, so we're excited. One other roaster release is we have a new Valenta 12 coming out. It will be out before the end of the year, and we wanted to make that announcement at the same time. It will be finished testing with that here in the next few weeks, get it into production. But just in case somebody would like to have the Valenta 12 rather than an 8, who wasn't quite ready to buy the 18, want people to know that's going to be available. The Valenta 12 is going to hit the market at $12,500, and it's going to be the same body design as this one. It'll just be thicker, same chaff collector, bean cooler. The blower that we had with the Artisan XL and the old Valenta 7 is going to come with that. So yeah, 2 new roaster models coming up. This one will be available immediately. Bryce should have it up on the website ready for purchase on Friday, if not by the end of the day on Monday. So if you don't see it on there and you want to make a purchase, you can give Bryce a call and he can get you hooked up. So we're really excited about our 2025 new lineup, like the Valenta 3, the Valenta 8, the Valenta 12, the Valenta 18. And yeah, so we're ready to rock and roll for 2025. If you have any questions about the new models, give us a call.